Something went wrong in Spotify. If you open your Spotify app and you find this message right here and you want to fix it, today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. The first obvious solution would be to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version. As you know, problems happen all the time in these apps and updates keep rolling out to fix these problems. So an obvious solution would be to just update the app and try again. If you do that and your app is up to date and you're still facing that problem, follow up with me again. You need to go to your settings this time and then scroll down and find apps. Open apps and then from here tap on manage apps. Now from the apps list you can search for Spotify, open it, then go to storage. From storage, go ahead and clear all data and cache. Once you do that, try opening the app. If you still have that problem, try uninstalling the app completely and then install it again. If you still have that problem, go back to your settings and search for reset. You should find something that sounds like reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, something like that. Go ahead and open it, then tap on reset settings. Once you do that, the problem should be fixed. And that is it for this video, guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.